In the Manufacturing Tooling Technology program, our focus is tooling.
I chose manufacturing tooling technology because there's a lot of possibility for advancement. You can go almost anywhere in the world with this program. You could go to overseas, anywhere, because there's a good need for engineers all around the world, and it's a fun program.
For those who may not be familiar with the term, tooling actually refers to any type of equipment used to produce products, including work holding and locating fixtures, metal forming dies, plastic molds, and special machinery.
I chose the manufacturing tooling program at Ferris because I had a desire to work with metal when I was younger, and now that I'm here I have the opportunity to really get involved with it.
When students ask what's the value of going to Ferris versus other schools, well, first of all, we're very unique in what we do. The Manufacturing Tooling Technology program is the only program of its kind in the state of Michigan and one of very few in the country.
It's a lot of fun. You meet a lot of people. It still is really fun for me to watch, as my program just makes it so I don't have to machine anything on a part. I can just watch and make sure it doesn't crash or whatever. But it's all you have to do is just set up and get to go. And it's a really fun hands-on program, and you learn a lot about industry and what's going on in the world.
After I graduate, I have a job lined up for me in Reese. I will become a I will be a CNC operator, and then I will also be programming for them.
Those who head out to the world of work enjoy 100% job placement, with most graduates having multiple opportunities well before graduation.
We're more towards tool building. We're more towards the tool building, but we're general enough that we could go into whatever kind of engineering we wanted: medical, automotive, anything like that. It depends on like the level of quality you want to work with. Like the medical tolerances are a lot higher, because obviously they're more important than we've got like automotive, where we've got all kinds of the new technology coming out, and aerospace. We've got a lot of that too.
Well, we like to believe our students are the most prepared students at this level going out into the workforce. We have some very intensive lab facilities here. The courses are lab intensive, I should say. We get into a lot of meat of material. It's not just how to do things, but why. The courses here involve a lot of real-world hands-on problem solving, and there's no substitute for that when it comes to actually making it happen out in industry. If you were to profile our typical student, you're going to find people coming in with a high level of mechanical aptitude, very serious interest in problem solving and troubleshooting, and strong math and science skills.
The professors here all have their experience in the real world with factories or facilities that they seem like they really enjoyed the setup and everything else in those.
One of the best things about the program here at Ferris is that we have a very diverse group of faculty. We have faculty who are experts in a variety of different areas, including plastic molding systems, metal forming systems, jig and fixture systems, as well as production machining. What we find is that through our projects and the cumulative nature of the curriculum, students get exposed to all that. They get different insights at different levels, and when they walk away, I think they've got a lot of good experiences and knowledge to draw from. So that we get into a lot more depth and breadth of information that's typically covered in a lot of other programs. So when it comes to getting a hands-on, applied, real-world education, this is definitely the place to go.